In this video we will learn how to modify a database, call a goal, how to use a LLM service, and execute the run and forget. You can find this tutorial at this bit.ly link. Let's get into it. What we want to do is to categorize the task that we are creating using the power of LLM in the language. So let's start by adding a column into the to-dos table called category. So we open up the setup goal, paste it in there, and then we need to execute the setup. This will build and run the setup goal. So we have that done. Next we will go to new task.goal, and let's just copy all the content and read over it. So we replace the content, and first we added their call categorize. This calls another goal, and then we tell it not to wait because LLM request can take few seconds. There you can see kind of shortcut for the builder to tell him that you want to use the LLM module. Then comes the system command that we want to categorize the user input, and these are the three categories we want to have. The user input is the task, and then we define the schema we want. And since it's an object, then it automatically loads this category into a variable that we can then use. So now we have updated the tables, and we just need to build and execute and start the server. So now it's up and running. Next is to test this. So you can use your REST client. I'm going to use the Plang code we did in last tutorial, and we're just going to change this and say buy some Lego. That's it. Now since the terminal is in use, we need to create a new terminal. We will execute the test. So now we have executed the test and we got the ID back. So let's check out the tasks in the database. So as we can see, we still have our first task there, and it has no category on it, but buying Lego is categorized as hobby. So now you've seen how you integrate LLM into your application. Next is identity.